Here are 3 reasons to subscribe to my channel. Reason number 1, I do vegan hauls for budgets, I do vegan hauls for snacks, I do vegan hauls for trying new products, lots of vegan hauls on this channel. Reason number 2, product reviews. So many new products come out all the time, and it's great to be able to go to a channel to kind of see what someone else thinks and kind of see for yourself what it looks like before you actually go out and spend your money. Reason number 3, lots of vegan tips. And reason number 4, why you should subscribe to my YouTube channel is lots of delicious vegan recipes. Alright guys, you can subscribe now. Hit the red button. I'll see you in the next video. Today I got 3 reasons I can't talk. Here are 3 reasons why you should Here are 3 reasons why you should subscribe to my channel. Guys, just hit the red button. I can't talk.